Welcome to our introduction to HTML online video. In this video, we're going to talk about what elements are in HTML and how to use them. So elements in HTML. So with HTML, you don't necessarily need to have, I'm using Dreamweaver here, but you don't need to necessarily have a particular content editor, such as Dreamweaver. You could WordPress, you can use TextPad, you can use any kind of text editing, Word software as well. So there's a lot of different options to create HTML code. Now the main thing with HTML code is elements. So you'll notice that everything that gets opened also gets closed. And between these opening and closing tags is the element that's within it. And this actually tells HTML what type of code to run. And with HTML, it ignores all white space. So the white space is good for the webmaster or the developer to be able to see and to align it in a way that makes sense to them. So if we have something like the first line, and then we have second line, and we have third line, we can see here that it's laid out on separate rows for us. So it's row 9, row 10, row 11. But when we save it and we output this content, we see that the content no longer has that spacing. And that's because the way that HTML renders out the output. It doesn't see all of the white space that we had within this particular one. We can see in the particular coding, so we can add in as much white space as we want and it'll only count as one line. And the white space is used more for the look of it and to make it so that it's more readable for the person that's creating the code. Thanks a lot for watching. We've got some more great videos coming up, so please subscribe, as well as we look forward to any comments or questions you may have.